With the press in an idle state, reduce the die pressure by turning the handles counterclockwise. The dial gauges will read 0. Remove the protective cover. Rotate the cylinder to get to the top of the die, where the guide slots are located. Using a die removal tool, lift the corner of the die away from the magnetic cylinder. Rotate the cylinder to remove the die. To install a new die, rotate the cylinder and locate the guide pins. Line up the slots in the flexible die with the guide pins on the magnetic cylinder. Confirm the guide pins are centered, top to bottom, in the die slots. Rotate the magnetic cylinder to attach the die. Replace the protective cover. Turn the handles clockwise to set die pressure. Turn the handles together to apply even pressure. The default pressure value is 15 bar.